Na nababawa kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services sa Where in Pampanga community natin. So for today's vlog, ang featured business natin ay ang KY Enterprise, and actually kagagaling ko lang sa gate ng subdivision namin because they brought us something to showcase and to introduce you guys. So let me just get this meat products, yung mga usually tinitinda nila. Let me just put them here. Let me introduce to you their products. Actually, if you check out their fan page, the business is mainly selling live and dressed chickens. So actually ito yung mga pinadala nila sa atin. And they assure us na araw-araw ang katayan yan. So they assure us fresh chickens such as this. Check that out. Man, ano kayang gagawin namin dito? Ano kayang magandang iluto sa mga to? Wow! Wow, this is like... So they brought us 5 dressed chicken. 5 whole dressed chickens. Yan. What? Oh man, this is a lot. Pwede natin itong pamigay ng ayuda. Kaya naman, kung gusto nyo guys, bilhin na kayo sa akin para makamura pa kayo, makabenta pa ako. Additionally, aside from live and dressed chicken, they also sell mga processed meats such as Longganisa. This is Chicken Tocino. And what is this? Another Chicken Tocino. Okay. Pwede rin tayong pasabay ng mga pork meat, mga vegetables natin yan, gulay na kailangan sa pagluluto, at marami pang iba. Ayun, so let me just directly read some information from their page. So they do free deliveries within San Fernando, Angeles, Mabalacat, Arayat, Mexico, Magalang, with just a minimum order of 20 kilos of meat. Additionally, they are looking for resellers and bulk orders. They can actually cater up to 20 tons. So if you are a restaurant or you want to strengthen your meat selling business, you can actually order from them up to 2 tons. So for more information, please visit their fan page or you can contact them at the numbers flashing on your screens right now and look for Miss K Yumon. There you have it, guys. So if you're interested to buy or start your business, again, you strengthen your business through meat selling. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. We hope to see you on our next video.